I'm Tanya Cross, the visionary and accessory designer at Scenic Glory. I provide advice on styling with and purchasing hair accessories. One of my favorite accessories is hats. I enjoy wearing hats, especially during the fall and winter months. Unfortunately, some hats are made with fabrics like wool that are not good for natural hair. But no worries, I'm going to show you how to make your hat natural hair friendly. Here are all the things I'll need. Hat, satin cap or bonnet, and these you can purchase at a dollar store or Dollar Tree for little cost, needle, and thread. I'm using my favorite wool floppy hat for this tutorial. Wool is a fabric that causes friction with textured hair, which leads to breakage. To minimize damage to my natural hair, I'm going to use the bonnet and add a satin lining to the hat. Most hats have a trim inside them that looks like this, that goes around the opening of the hat. So I'm going to attach the satin bonnet to the trim using a needle and thread. The picture to your right is what it looks like when the bonnet is attached to the hat trim all the way around. Voila! I'm ready for the colder weather without worrying about causing damage to my hair. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial on how to make your hat natural hair friendly. You can learn more about what naturals should consider when styling with or purchasing hair accessories in my styling e-guide that's available on Etsy. Visit my Etsy shop at www.etsy.com/shop/@Glory to purchase and download the guide today.